Ricky, I haven't seen in a while. Ross, Daddy, who's our peacekeeper. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Go for his hot coffee every day. Aggie for the chicken skin and Kenny Rogers. Thank you, Pare. Speaking of skin, pupush, there we go. Showing a lot. Diane Lane, kaya nga, no? And of course, Joyce, my seatmate since kindergarten. Unfortunately, she always copies from me, especially religion. No? Her favorite verse, go and multiply. There we go. Linda May, my apologies for not answering your Facebook because I didn't know you. No, I'm kidding. Then who I saw a couple of months back in Manila. Thank you very much for the nice meeting we had. Rose, wrong sister, but I'll take it. Michi, I love you. We didn't meet some Manila, but I got to see you here. Perfect. Kaya nga. Alain?
Yung po, you pass.
Sorry?
You pass, you pass. Oh, doon pa lang.
Si Alain Hili. Okay, may
Oh, what kayo mainggit?
Tom, of course. Tom who has been serenading us for the whole day. I think Tom will serenade us more tonight, di ba? Joy and Ricky, na I was a witness at their wedding. Well, you have a child. I don't think it's secret anymore. Gay. Yeah, Gay, thank you. Oh. Mahal, who sabay kami nag-apply sa BPI noon. I remember, BPI, oh. I passed, you didn't.
Thanks anyway.
Of course, I saw you last time reunion. Rina, okay, thank you for the chowking delicacies you brought. Edna, who's at the cover FHM, senior edition, by the way. RB, I almost got caught customs because of your padala. Next time, I'm not going to bring home a vibrator. Okay?
Hey, love you!
I know, you can share. Oh, you can share. It's washable.
MWF.
MWF, then PTHS, ikaw, Sunday it goes to Edna.
I'll take it.
Anyway, thank you very much. I came here for one reason. I think what united us all is, of course, we have the, can you show your abs, Eileen? I haven't seen it in a while. No. I said, come on, who's been serenading us? Please stop, anyway.
Pag-video ka.
Naka-video ka. Anyway, Michi Copiaco, again, batch 84, who had their 5th anniversary last July 4th, sa Paranaque, St. Rita. Okay, saying that, we are united with one thing. We have one thing in common. We all came from the same school, which is the Agustin. Run by Agustin sisters. Seriously speaking, AR. St. Rita College. The school, I was there for 11 years, from 74 to 85. I think I shared the same honors with Aggie and Joyce, and the rest of those that are loyalty awardee, no? Anyway, how it started. February of 2007, I was still working for Metrobank as an account officer. I went there to get the account of St. Rita. I went there with the branch manager, Irene Bill. You all know Irene Bill. Pag nasusukan, Irene Bill. You all know that. I went there, I went to speak to Sister Gorelli, and what did I see? The former school that we know, 5,000 strong, is 500 weak. That counts from all kindergarten up to college.
How many?
500 enrollments. That was 07. The last time we counted, when Len was there, we're pushing 98. Nung fiesta, I spoke to Sister Gorelli, pulled me aside and said that, Lawrence, baka magsara tayo pag ito ang enrollment natin. Sabi ko, bahala ka sa buhay mo, sister.
Graduate na ako.
Okay. Anyway. Nagpakabit ng electric fund eh. Seriously speaking, the school needs help. Manay, you know, when we're talking how we, especially kami ni Manay, we spent till 3 in the morning just talking. Ano ba siya dito? But what's the problem, sabi ni Manay? What's the problem with the school? First of all, the sisters do not believe in marketing. There are a dozen schools, I would say better, or even better priced than St. Rita.